see how that's going. And make sure we're live everywhere. Yes. Got a test stream. Yay, it's working on Periscope. Now I need to double check on YouTube. I've got people behind me. They may not want to be on camera. Let's see. Please let this be working. Is it working on YouTube yet? Can you guys see it on YouTube? Yes, it is live. And then let me double check and make certain that my restream can talk to you guys here and get your questions and stuff. I'm looking.
Yeah, so we're gonna give these out.
Where is it?
It's supposed to be kind of like a surprise.
Oh boy, it's kind of loud here, isn't it? That's okay. I'm following my restream. Okay, here we go. Web chat. There we go. I'm pulling it up now. How are you guys? I'll get you guys here in a second. I'm currently waiting. Copy. Here we go. Launch. I'm trying to launch it here. I'm trying to see if I'm able to talk to you guys. Paste and go. All right. I'm getting the chat up on my phone, so I'll be able to talk to you guys there too. So yay! So I got my stuff. Check it out. There's me. Hello. Yay! So the live stream test is working. So I'll be able to kind of take you guys to walk around. You guys want to walk around and look at the facility? You want to? That'll be pretty awesome, huh? Here we go. So I have about 13 minutes before you have to go to the auditorium and start like all the talking and movies and stuff. So I'm going to show you around they have really cool stuff here. So I'm going to give you guys an opportunity to kind of see. A bit silent. Yeah, it's kind of, let me see if I can turn up the volume. I don't know if I can turn up the volume. How do I do that? Settings. Recording. So, excuse me. So sorry. So this is where all the media and the press go. So that's kind of exciting stuff. This is the line for the people for the social media thing, for the NASA social. And so, there's the gift shop. Can you guys see that all right? I'll be back. I'm back. See? I'm back, guys. So I'm going to take you guys around a little bit and show you what everything is. So this is inside the visitor center. See, I got here early, so I already got my stuff. I was thinking ahead of time. So I'm kind of tempted to put my face in there. You know what I mean? But here we go. There she goes. So I'm inside the actual visitor center. And then I got cool stuff. Your own volume was down. Here's the anatomy of a rocket. You can explore the different parts of a rocket here. My hands are kind of full at the moment. But see, I got y'all right there. I can see you talking to me. Let me see if I can fix this. And then they've got all of this different type of artifacts and the different things that they've done, especially the history of reason for the rocket, why they got rockets going on up here, what they're gonna do with their research. So I'm going to try to not make you guys seasick. So here's testing they do. Gravity tests, balance tests. So let's see what this does. They're testing for balance of the rocket. That's pretty cool. Center of gravity test. So that's kind of neat. I'm on the inside. So this is inside the actual visitor center. And here's all the testing galleries. Gallery pictures. Vibrations. Ooh. Can you design a successful mission? That's pretty cool. They've got interactive stuff. The anatomy of a successful liftoff and learn. So they have a lot of interactive exhibits here where you can learn stuff. Chincoteague Naval Auxiliary Air Station. So I guess this is George H.W. Bush from 1943. We got some cool stuff going on here. They also, if you didn't know, I've passed by NOAA. They have NOAA here as well. So that would be kind of cool to get involved with that. And over here, what their mission statement is: provide live and simulated integrated warfare capabilities in net-centric maritime environment to develop, test, evaluate, and conduct fleet operations and training for the warfighter. So I'm guessing that's for the combat systems for Wallops Island. And here's if you want to be like a pilot. There we go. Put your face in that. I don't know, maybe I'll do that later. Woo! Check this out. What's this? This looks like a fun thing that you can look at. Is this a simulator? Navy lookouts. Check that out. You're a Navy lookout to protect the ship. How cool is that? How cool is that? Oh, and then now we've got conservation stuff. Talking about seals and sea lions. How groovy is that? Science of sonar. Ooh, that sounds pretty cool. Maybe I need to add that to one of my live streams for when we're doing the Science of show. All of the different ways that sound is important in science. We have to protect these marine species. So the ones that they are highlighting here: North Atlantic right whale, loggerhead sea turtle, wow, sargassum, this type of vegetation, manatees, and coral reefs. Coral reefs are essential right now, and we are losing them rapidly. Oh, and they use various sonic sensors. They watch, they record, they listen. Cool. So this is some stuff here. Here's all of the different things they have in the Navy: marine biologist, oceanographer, sound analyst, scientific diver. You know, it'd be pretty cool to be a sound analyst, I would think. So let's have a look over here. This looks like more people are lining up. I didn't get my bag of stuff. I need my gear, man. Woohoo! Let me go get my gear before they run out.
Oh, that was terrible.
Oh, goodness. I didn't get my gear. Looks like they have a lot. I'll come back and get it later. So, let's go over this way. Isn't this groovy? Check this out. What is this? This is a model of the International Space Station. So the mission is sending cargo and supplies to the International Space Station. What if they made this out of Legos? Any of you guys want to make that out of Legos, maybe? How cool would that be? Check that out. Then they have things talking about atmosphere, how ozone affects plants. I'm trying to get this done as quickly as possible for you guys. NOAA, N-O-A-A, not the one from the Ark. They have an observation deck. I'm hoping, and it just got fuzzy. sorry. I'm hoping to be able to get, do we have, there we go. Hoping to be able to get to the observation deck at some point in time. So that would be kind of neat. What in the world is this? It's not a giant egg. This is the balloon system. We're going to take a look at the balloon research that they do. So that'll be cool. Check that out. So that's what it looks like when it's fully inflated. And that's the materials. 52.6 million cubic foot balloon, both fully inflated and in launch configuration. So that's launch configuration. And that's fully inflated right there. Mahoosive. Gosh, that's big. Look at that. How cool is that? That's when they launch it. That's fully inflated. So, and here's Antares. That's what we're gonna watch Monday morning. Early Monday morning. I have 3 minutes. So, one last little bit. Other stuff here. I'm just gonna do a swooping look around so you guys get an idea. And then I'm gonna go get my stuff and get seated and get ready to talk. So this is pretty cool. So I'll flip this back around for a second. I am super excited, guys. So yay! So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and head on in. Oh no, you're not in my shot. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Yeah, I got it this way now. Live television. There you go. So I'm gonna go and check out, I'm gonna go and check out all the things and head to the auditorium. See you soon. Bye.